Rockin' Pat here. Hi guys, it's another rockin' day in the jungle. Okay, if you look at that date right there, that one right there, that's an American date. I don't know about you Europeans, how y'all write that crap, but that's how we write it. It's customer. Yeah, you see what it is. 2014 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500. Last year, around that time, he done whacked it into something, and I fixed it. 30 hours. Fixed it, and that was the total that the man paid me to fix his front end of his 2014 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter van. When he done whacked it into a tree. There's all the parts I needed. Radiator, hood hit support, inner arch, filler neck, blah blah blah. You go on down the list there and you read it all you need to know. Okay? So called me up yesterday, and the mileage was 202,000 miles, 561. It now has 210,000 miles. And guess what it's back for? Ha ha ha. You just gotta love repeat customers and repeat work. He done went and smashed the shit out of it again. Now I got a few parts off of it already. Like one is the tie bar right here that goes between the frame here and the frame here. See where it broke out the bolts down there, and we got ripped bolts here and all this kind of goody two-shoe stuff. Brand new radiator that I just put in there is cracked. Condenser's bad. Core support's made out of plastic, and you know, you can pretty much already guarantee that that's bad. Headlight I just put in there, all the little plastic tabs have broken off of it, so it's trash. Hood's trash. It's all janked up somewhere. I don't remember where. Oh yeah, right over in this area right there. It's all janked up. It ain't no good. It's bent. Front bumper cover's bent. The grill, I might be able to reuse it. Just leave that there. Who cares? Funny thing about this bumper cover is, you better have this damn bumper cover when you go down there to Mercedes to buy a new bumper cover, because there's a $150 fucking core on that damn bumper cover right there. Now you tell me why there needs to be a $150 core on where, if it was that piece of crap right there. Well, you know what my feelings are on that piece of crap, that piece of European crap. Either way, if I could have gone to Certifit or National Parts Depot, I'd have been able to get that bumper cover for about 75 bucks altogether. But if you go to Mercedes, they want you to pay a core on it. So deal is that I got to do, biggest problem I got with putting this thing back together today is the frame's tweaked. This arm is pushed over that direction from when the tie bar got smashed, and then the lower tie bar is bent as well. It has pulled this over, and you can see that right there. That right there is a buckled frame. Okay, so Monday morning I gotta send this over to the frame shop and have that frame pulled back out before I can do anything. I don't even think I want to take it apart due to the fact that they can drive it up and on their frame machine right now. If I take the radiator out, they may not be able to. Alright guys, well, if y'all want to watch me put this van back together, I gotta paint a hood inside and out. Yeah, if y'all want to watch me put this van back together, let me know in the comments section. If not, I got work to do, man. That should come out to about 4,000 or 5,000. Well, probably about 5,000 or 6,000. That'll be a good payday. I like good paydays. I'll probably make about 3 or more off of it, somewhere in that range. All right, guys. Well, I got to get going. I got work to do. Y'all keep rocking and a rolling and a rolling and a rocking, and I'm gonna keep grinding it down. Talk to y'all next time. Everybody say hello to Petey Doggy. Petey Doggy just want to say hello to somebody. Hello, Petey Dog. Hello, Petey Doggy. What are you gonna do today, Petey Doggy? What are you gonna do? You gonna take over the world today? Is you just gonna take over the world? Huh? Huh, Scooby Dooby? It's a world taking over day. Ha ha ha. What, are you gonna chase me down? You gonna chase me down, Daddy Doggy? Huh? Alright guys, y'all keep rocking and rolling. Time to stop scooting around.